Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 marketing images has been posted online, which pretty much confirm every detail which has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, as we know that Samsung Unpacked event will be held on August 11 and it is going to be a formality. Considering we pretty much already know what to expect from the Unpacked event. Earlier today, nearly all Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 specs has been leaked, and now the Giz Next has posted the marketing material for two foldable phones. Although these images haven't revealed all of the key specifications, they provided a good look at the forthcoming device and have also confirmed some key details. So as far as the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is concerned, Samsung has already confirmed that it has made the S Pen for foldable smartphone, and the new images show us that it will look like. The rumor about a strong ultra-thin glass that has been coming for supporting the stylus were also right on the money, as the marketing images state that it is 80% more durable than before. So definitely this is going to be a great option to have, because the ultra thin gloss technology not only will support the S Pen but also the durability, and the device will be last longer even than their last year models. So honestly, I am definitely looking forward towards that. For the broader protection, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 gets the Gorilla Glass Victus and the new armor frame material, which is going to be making this device as more durable on the back side of the device, and also the outside display will even going to be stronger, and some of the drops which are going to be happening might not break the Galaxy Z Fold 3, so this is going to be a great option to have. The promotional pictures also confirms the color options. We have the three color options like the black, green and the silver color option has been confirmed. Also, it has been confirmed that the 120 Hz of display is going to be coming inside, and an under panel camera sensor is going to be coming. The rear camera design has also been confirmed, and it is confirmed that it is going to be coming with a triple camera setup on the back side with an LED flashlight and a new camera sensor on the back side, which has a smaller camera bump on the back side, which looks like a new design and make this device a lot more cooler and thinner. Moving towards the Galaxy Z Flip 3 promo materials, which showcase that the device is going to be coming with a bigger 1.9 inch of cover display and more clearly, and also highlights some of the phone's big advantages over the conventional handset. You can use it as a tripod and for hands-free calls. The Z Flip 3 also coming with a new look and design. We have the two-tone color option on the back side, in which the display has a black color whereas the other body will be having different colors. We also see a dual camera setup on the back side, which is definitely going to be looking great. Also, the camera sensor on the back side will be coming with a 12 megapixel of a sensor, which is definitely the same sensor we have seen in the Galaxy Z Flip 2. Also, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be supported by water resistant, which is the IPX8 rating, and definitely this is going to be a great option, and it has been confirmed by Samsung itself. The front of the device is also coming with a new ultra thin gloss technology, which is even durable, and the back is going to be protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, which is definitely going to be making this device even more stronger. So guys, the pricing for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has been confirmed by different leaks and rumors that it is going to be coming with a price tag of $1,100, which is definitely going to be a price which most of the people can afford, because right now modern smartphones are coming with an $1,100 for price tag. So definitely this is going to be a great price if Samsung is going to be launching the device in similar price tag as the leak has been confirmed. Also, we have the reservation for both the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3 has been live, and you can get an additional $100 in a trade-in credit on top of trade-in values, a new policy that will let you trade into devices, 12 months of Samsung Care Plus, which has a value of up to $155, an extra special offer towards the phone during the pre-order, which may be the Galaxy Buds 2 for the Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Watch 4 for the Z Fold 3. So guys, all in all, this is going to be definitely a great device. A new specification has been confirmed by this new leak promotion material, so definitely I'm looking forward towards the Z Fold 3. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.